Kodi's Xenon build for movies and TV shows, all on your Amazon Fire TV stick on an app that you can't find in the Amazon App Store. To start this off, we need to come to the search icon, click on it, and pull down. And in search, we're going to type in one word, downloader. D-O-W, and downloader comes up pretty quickly. You may need to spell the whole word. Just select it, click on it. Here's the orange icon. We'll click on that. Then it gives us the ability to download it and install it onto our device. So just click download and it'll automatically install it onto our Amazon Fire TV stick. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV and Kodi tips and tricks and how-tos. So follow along. Once the app is downloaded, we can just hit the home button on our remote. We need to change one option. So let's head all the way to settings icon at the very far right there and click on it. And then come down and look for My Fire TV, or it may say My Device, or it might be down here, somewhere on here, My Fire TV or My Device, and click on it. And then it brings up this little menu. I have developer options, and if you do not have that listed on your device, don't worry. You can just highlight About, click on it, and then highlight Fire TV stick, or yours may say 4K or something different. And just use your remote, select about 7 to 10 times. And it says, no need, you're now a developer. Congratulations. We back out one, developer options is now enabled. So click on it. Here we can turn ADB debugging on, and then we can come down to install unknown apps and select on it. Let's look for downloader, highlight it. It is now off when we turn it on. This gives downloader the ability to sideload applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. We can go back to our home screen, we can look for downloader and open it up now. So downloader will be in the 3 squares plus sign. So just select onto it. And then the last application that we download onto our Fire Stick ends up at the very bottom. So here, at the end of the list, we have downloader. And we can use our 3-line button on our remote and move it to the front. And this puts downloader in our home page shortcuts menu. So when we're on our home page, just right here, right up front and center for us. So let's highlight downloader and open it up. Click allow, and then we click OK. And now here, downloader acts just like a web page. So we can type in any URL, like for instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com, or I have a short code for you. It's so much quicker. We can highlight that. 370,178. And we just click go. This will take us right to the Led by the Unknown's webpage. Now there is a quick 5-second redirect, and once the page is loaded, we can use the 3-line button on our remote and add this page to our favorites. And then we just hit save. And then if we ever come back here for a different application, we can just go to the favorites bar and find the web page automatically. We can come down, we're going to look for Kodi. Now guys, get out your phone, scan this QR code, get yourself the latest Black Friday discount for IP Vanish, and secure your online activity. And here under our apps, best apps for movies and TV shows, Kodi, the latest version, we can select on it and it'll automatically start downloading it to your device. There are other applications in here. Please check them out. Try to download. Now down in the bottom right, it'll have install. So highlight install and click on it. This will install the application. And then highlight done. and then delete and delete, as we no longer need the installation file. Let's head back to the home screen. Now, where we found downloaders, same spot where we're going to find Kodi. 3 squares plus sign, click on that. And then we'll come down, find Kodi. We use the 3-line button on our remote. And we can move that to the front. So when we're at our home screen, we have now these applications up front and center. So select on Kodi and let's open it up. Say continue. And then say allow. It'll be a few moments for its initial startup. And here we go. Fresh, ready to go. We hit the settings icon, come down to system, select on it. Under add-ons, slide over there, unknown sources, turn it on. And then we'll say yes. And we can back out one. We got to come up here to File Manager, add a source, and here select it. Gives us a keyboard to type in our source. Follow this link, spell it to the T, we'll be good to go. So it's going to start off with HTTP. S. We need a colon. Here the semicolon, which won't work, so we can come down to the shift button, which now gives us the full colon, and then // Here again, type this in letter for letter. The // the dots, all correct 99% of the time. This is what screws up. Click OK. And here it gives us a name, so we'll need this in the future. And then we're going to click OK. Now we can back out one, and we can go to add-ons. Then we come down to install from zip. Find the name that it was named. If you named it differently, it'll be named differently. So here we got dig. And the repository. Select on it. Yeah. It's ready to go to the next step. So it says install. Highlight dig. And then come down to program add-ons, and then our wizard is what we're going to use. So click on it and then click install. It's as easy as that. This may do some funny things. It may not. It may just do it real quick and easy. Once you get this page, we can hit close. We can back out. And then here, we'll hit yes. And I would always suggest the free. If you have those, you can try it. If you don't, try the third one. Select on it. And then yes, continue. This part may take a little while. It may take up to a few minutes, depending on your speed, depending on where you're located. So please, guys, share this with a friend. Press the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Once again, I'm very thankful for you to watch this video. Appreciate it so much. Makes me want to make more of these things for you. Once that's all completed, it'll come up with this that we need to push OK. Now that this is done, I would suggest you to go over to the settings icon, come down, and under applications, click on it, and then we can come down to manage installed apps, and then head down to Kodi, select onto it, and clear the cache. Do not clear data, just clear the cache, press it once, and it'll be cleared. This will help with everything going forward. And you push the home button. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this. Happy streaming. Take care. Peace.